and Kip. Episode 20. Lost at the sea. Bert and Kip were out on the ocean. The boat floated on the waves. It bobbed up and down. We're all sailing. We are sailing, Kip, said Bert. I am having a lot of fun. But Kip was having fun at all. We are lost, he cried. We'll be lost at the sea forever. Oh, don't be silly, Kip, said Bert. We won't be lost at sea forever. We're not even lost. I miss my home, cried Kip, and I miss our tree. I don't like sailing anymore. Soon the boat landed on some rocks. Oh no, said Kip. Now we are stuck in a far away land. No, we are, said Bert. We are still home. See, there's the roller coaster. Said Kip. You are right. Do you know what this means? Asked Kip. We sailed on the way around the world.